hygiene standards, preserving natural thickness to create exclusive value of 35,000 USD. White Yak Leather Inspection selects only the top 15% finest leather, ensuring coat durability for 20 years with 40% higher value than regular leather.
White Yak leather washing removes 99% of impurities, preserving pure white color, the rarest characteristic with longest resistance to yellowing on the market.
White Yak Leather tanning with special formula increases softness by 300%. Coat drapes perfectly. Starting price 28,000 USD.
White Yak leather stretching and drying maintains stable form plus or minus 0.5 millimeters. Coat doesn't shrink after 10 years. Unique Yak leather value.
White Yak Leather grinding and conditioning creates ultra-smooth surface, scratch resistance 5 times regular leather, elevating authentic luxury value. White Yak Leather 3D scanning optimizes cutting, reduces waste by 12%. Natural white grain perfectly distributed on coat. White Yak leather line sewing with ultra-durable Kevlar thread. Seams withstand 150 kilonewton force. Coat price 32,000 USD, lasts 25 years. Anti-static silk lining for White Yak leather coat increases comfort by 200%, prevents leather sticking to clothes, elevating luxury experience.
White Yak leather macro inspection detects defects 0.1 mm, ensuring zero defect coat, lifetime warranty 50,000 USD.
White Yak leather nano coating 95% waterproof without color change, maintains eternal whiteness at exclusive technology plus 15,000 USD.
White Yak leather mist test waterproof for 8 continuous hours, ideal for humid climate. raises selling price to 38,000 USD.
White yak leather drape test achieves ideal softness. Panels self-balance in 2 seconds. Rare aesthetic value characteristic stands alone.
Standard weight confirmed, 3,852.5 grams.
White yak leather robot folding precision, use 0.2 millimeters. Preserves form for unboxing. Luxury unboxing.
White yak leather certificate traces from breeding lot code to completion, guarantees rarity and authenticity, increases investment value 25% per year.
White yak leather coat unboxing recreates all 85 steps, proving 45,000 USD value from rare source to perfect luxury.
White yak leather coat displayed in industrial showroom. Every white grain line tells the story of rarity and world-class peak technology.
Center of showroom, rotating platform activated, LED angled on both sides. White yak leather coat dressed on mannequin, collar and sleeves adjusted.
The 85-step timeline details the journey from the white yak to the finished coat, now reaching 100% completion. White yak leather coat. 85 industrial steps, 45,000 USD value from rare source to perfect luxury.